Hi Jan.
Hi.
Thank you for coming. Could you please tell me more about your car?
Well, basically it's a 2009 Suzuki Swift, 1.3 liter, 92 horsepower. And it is in stock, as you can see. First of all, the striping, the elephant in the room. I used to do it myself, but after half a year, the striping turned pink instead of red.
Wow.
Because it's AliExpress. But now I got it done professionally by my friend Patrick. And that was the first actual mod. After that, sports muffler at the in my exhaust. And yeah, it didn't sound good enough for me, so there's also a cutoff system after the catalytic converter.
If you want to say now about the sticker.
Well, the sticker on the side, Swift, is actually pretty funny. I used to have this friend who also had a Suzuki Swift, but it was white with black striping, and it said Suzuki on the side. And back in the day when we were still friends, we decided to make our own group, Gebroeders Swift it was called. And the profile picture was his car with the Suzuki, and then my car a little more forward back, so it says Swift. When I bought the car, it was fully stock. It came with a radio CD player. Yeah, that would still listens to the radio these days. So the first thing I actually did was getting a radio with one thing it has to have: Apple CarPlay. So that's how my radio came to be. We worked on the radio for 2 days to get it in.
Why it took 2 days?
Because first of all, the car was I got the car like just then. I didn't know anything about cars yet. So we ordered the radio, we ordered the building bracket, we ordered the subwoofer and all. The radio wasn't that big of a deal actually, but it was more the cables for the subwoofer, because it didn't have any cables lay in, so we had to pull the cables from the front to the back. That took us about 2 days.
And did you do it all by yourself?
I did it all by myself, except the striping and the paint job.
And the car was black when you buy it?
The car was black when I bought it.
I see that you have been also, you have the Nurburgring
I have
sticker
driven on the ring, yes.
And how was?
It was pretty awesome, but it's pretty hecking dangerous. In the lap I did, there were 2 cars who broke themselves. To everybody who is planning on driving on the Nurburgring, take your time and keep your head with it, since yeah, there's like a billion crazy people on the ring.
And what was your time?
I didn't time it, but it was probably around half an hour. I only went once.
And how much does it cost?
30 euros.
And this is your Instagram, Jan Spot.
That's my spotter's Instagram. My car's Instagram is on the side.
And of course, don't forget to follow
Jan's Spots.
Jan's Spots on Instagram, and also his car, the Swift 073. And why is it Swift 073?
The reason behind my name Swift 073 is because I live in Den Bosch, and 073 is the area code of Den Bosch. When you dial the phone number in Den Bosch, you always dial 073 and then the number.
And Burman.
Yeah, that's a practical joke between me and my friend, who has also the exact same car. And yeah, basically Buurman and Buurman is like a kids TV show in the Netherlands. Yeah. And yeah, it was like a practical joke actually. It doesn't mean anything. The side and front body kits were for 2009. The rear body kit was made for 2005. But the reason behind it is because in an accident I crashed my rear bumper, and they didn't have a 2009 rear bumper, so I put a 2005 rear bumper on it.
And since when you have the car? When did you buy the car?
When I turned 18. And
it was your
anniversary
anniversary gift, like.
Yeah, something about like that. No, I actually got my license when I was 17, and a month later I turned 18. I actually got it for my birthday.
You're like Max Verstappen, right?
Yeah.
Like, I see also you have a few caps.
Not only caps.
Oh, oh, you have also a small Swift.
Fully custom made. Every time I get on a car, go to a car meet or something, people ask me, where did you get that mini Swift? I said, I built it myself.
Oh, so you did it yourself?
Yeah. Basically, it's a plank of wood, and and this is just a body of an RC car.
That's smart. And under the hood, did you do something special or if it's stuck?
The only thing that's different under the hood is the control system of the cutout exhaust. But other than that, it's a stock engine. This is actually the only thing I did.
And would you like to upgrade? Or if you say, no,
Nah.
I'm happy with it.
Nah, the thing is, I mean, I do want to upgrade, but the problem is the car already has run 200,000 kilometers, and I don't think it's worth it anymore.
And will you switch to an, let's say, electric car?
Oh, hell no.
No?
Hell no.
Why not?
I mean, to me, a car needs to have a soul, and the soul it can only get by engine noise. Electric car don't have engine noise.
That's right. But they are fast. So
They
if
are
you're
fast, yeah.
looking for a fast car,
I mean, over here in the Netherlands we can only drive 130, so why would I need a fast car?
how many kilometers did you drive until now? Since you have the car?
I bought the car at 177,000, and it's now at 192.
Are you going to car meetings here in the Netherlands?
Yeah.
Where exactly?
Doesn't matter where. Last weekend I was in Nurburgring. I come in Waalwijk a lot of times. I went to Breda a couple times. I went to Best a couple times. And now me and a few other guys are working to set up a car meet in Den Bosch.
There is any in Den Bosch yet? Or?
There used to be a lot of in Den Bosch, but because there was the owner of the land there wasn't happy about it, it stopped. But now we are working with the aerial government.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
Mhm.
To get a permit and a place where we can actually do it legally.
So you want to make like your own,
I have my own
Group?
group, yeah.
and do you have like special cars there? Or
No, it's
it's
actually
only
basically,
Suzuki?
it's basically everything. I mean, I drive a Suzuki Swift. My friend, the other organizer, drives a Suzuki Alto. My nephew, the other organizer, drives a Renault Clio.
Yeah, that is good because you don't need to have like how you say, fancy cars. So thank you for coming, and also thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment the video, and see you soon.